Hello boys, how are you? Good afternoon. This is our computer class. Okay. Now we talk about other parts of the computer. Now open your book, page number 12 and 13. We will discuss today page number 12 and 13. This is our topic for joining devices together. You know, different parts of the computer we join in one place, then they work together. Okay. Now, first of all, the parts of the computer that we can touch and we can see, this is called hardware. Okay. For example, software we can see, even touch, that is programming. For example, Windows, XP. Okay, that we operate the system, that is software. And hardware, any device or part of the computer that is we can see and we can touch. Okay, that is hardware of the computer. Now, different devices we join together, then they work smoothly and fastly. First of all, the device must be joined together. Input devices send signal to the processor. Okay, the output device gets signal from the processor. Processor is the place where every work done. Okay, when we send input, what do you want? You send this thing to the processor, and process solve the problem. Anything you send, he solve and give you answer. Okay, he get the input from the input devices and then process that input and then give that output to the output devices, and they then when we see or we print on the output devices. Now some devices are wired and some wireless. Wire mean they attach with the wire to the system, and some without wire with the signals. Okay, for example, this is wire, and this mouse you can see it is wireless. Okay, without wire. Now here some internal parts of the computer, some external parts of the computer. Okay, now here some network. For example, the computer can send signal to each other. This network is called networking. One computer to another computer, same place. But internet, it is a big network from one country to another country, all the world. You can connect with other computer with the help of internet. Okay, this is big computer network. And small computer network, that is with the wire you can send signal from one to another device. Okay, now next I show you here some parts. For example, I write here some hardware. This is already finished: mouse, keyboard, touch screen, joystick, printer, monitor. These all parts are hardware. These are also, we say, external part. Okay, and some also internal part. Now wired mean the part of the computer that is connect to the computer with wire, and wireless, the part of the computer that connect with the computer without wire. For example, this is wireless. And then computer connection, this computer connection, this is we connect the computer with cables. Look, this is power cable, this is data cable. For example, we send data to printer to print the paper, that is data cable. We use data cable, and we show the output, that is data cable. But this is power supply, because computer, work on the electricity. Okay, first we plug in this, and then computer start working. Without power, computer will not work. And here, look, this is a CPU where processor and many things I show you now. Here speakers, and here keyboard, mouse, and UPS, and this is monitor. Look, they are connected each other with the wire. Now here hardware also internal and also external. For example, something inside the CPU. Look, this is inside the CPU. This is case. This is what? Case. Inside the CPU, look, you can see power supply that give the power to the processor and other parts of the internal parts of the computer. This is motherboard. This is a DVD drive. Okay, and this is a CPU. This is fine. CPU fine because it keep the CPU cool. Otherwise, if after too much work, you know, the CPU will be hot, become hot, and it will be burn. Okay, so this fan help the CPU to be cool. And this is RAM. This is control the speed of the computer. And this is VGA card. This is control the graphics. And this is sound, control the sound. This is hard disk, something we store in the computer. This that is stored on this hard disk. And this reader all in one internal. This is also internal, many things inside one. And here these are external part, for example speaker, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. These are external part and these are internal part. Okay, now boys, I show you a video about this, then for more understanding. Okay,
CPU, DVD drive, motherboard, hard drive, sound card, random access memory, VGA card, all in one card reader, fan, power supply unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker, camera, microphone, UPS, modem, hard drive, DVD.
okay boys, this is our lesson today in computer. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.